Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyDude007 channel and our special guest Zoe. In our last video, Zoe airbrushed for the very first time and did an awesome job. Well, those parts are dry, and we're going to be working on her next hot rod for an upcoming show, the Hope It Don't Snow show, in January. So we've got about 3 weeks, but I think we're going to try to knock this one out today, and then we've got an airplane we're going to get on too. But we're going to get some parts laid out, let you see the instruction sheet, and we'll have some fun together. Stick around. Okay, Zoe, remind everybody what you're going to be building for the Hope It Don't Snow show.
This is the Airfix Quick Build Jeep Quicksand Concept.
So we're building a concept car. Okay, and it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well guys, we are going to start with the instructions, and tell me again, Zoe, you've reminded me before, but tell me why the instructions are so important.
Because if there's no instructions, then you don't know how to build it.
Well, that's very true. You don't know how to build it. That's right. And you learn about cars by building, and the instructions can help you. And one day, you may not have to. All right. So where is number one?
Right here.
Right there. Okay. So guys, we're going to start putting together the parts in these sections, and then we'll start assembly in each one. So stick around. We'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, Zoe.
Are you guys ready for the wheels?
We'll get back on camera. They can't see you.
Are you ready for the wheels? Get better. Hold it up here, because they're front wheels. Nope. Is that good?
Excellent. Yep. Get your other front one.
Is that good?
Wow. Well, it's kind of hard without the back wheels.
What happened?
Get it straight. You having a problem?
Yeah. These are the
oh, there it goes. Now push it.
And
Bang.
whew. Let's see how it works.
Set it down. Let everybody see it a minute. Well, here is the Airfix Quick Build, guys. It locks together kind of like a Lego. As you can see, hold it still a minute, Zozo. Hold up the stickers. And guys, if you remember her Mystery Machine and her Scooby-Doo airplane, her decal or sticker placement last year was absolutely meticulously spot on. So I'm eager to see what she's going to do with these. And so we're going to have some fun with this too. So stick around and we'll start doing some
Like
stickers. I've
these
got to clean out a
stickers.
few little things on it. There's some, I don't know if you can see, but where the door hinges are, yeah, you can see a little bit. Go through, you see the little spots there, and then a place where the, I think that's, I'm not sure what that one is. But anyway, that little round one there, and then the two places for the door hinges. So I'm going to remove that stuff, and we'll get this kind of ready for her to go. But
So
have you had fun, Zoe?
yeah, so stick around for like these stickers.
Okay, guys, hold on. Well, guys, there's been a change of plans, right, Zoe?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we first looked at the stickers, Zoe was not a fan of the flames, and I went ahead and cut out these things, and we started putting them on. They're just too brown. She really didn't care for them. I didn't care for the colors once they got on there one side, so we have decided to go through my decal box of water slides and see what, if I can hold on to it, and see what we can find. Right, Zoe?
Yeah.
So, I want to say thank you, and Zoe wants to say thank you.
Thank you.
For tagging along and watching. I think, honestly, guys, this is kind of a cool little hot rod. Did you notice she blacked out the stacks a little bit, and we're going to take a Sharpie, and we're going to let her do the whole top of them, too, here in a minute. Right?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. And, but a cool little car, I think. And check out the placement of these things. The only thing that she did was a little off was the script back here above the tail light there. I think it's upside down, but who cares? You can't read it anyway. And I had to adjust one of the headlights a little bit. Other than that, I mean, the placement of everything is really right on. I mean, she followed the rails just beautifully. But I'm going to go through my decal stash, see if there's something she likes, but kind of a chop top hot rod looking. I mean, this is just actually a pretty cool, for a Lego type build, this is really cool.
Yeah.
So, okay, guys, we appreciate it, don't we, Zoe?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys, we love you. We appreciate you. Thanks for sticking around again for this one. And I'll be showing an update and probably in a short on her finish work once she picks out the decals from my stash. So, love you guys. God bless, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.